Hey guys, it's Danya, just like Tanya but with a D. So today I was thinking I'll do a skincare routine for you today. So like before I didn't really used to like care about my face or anything. I used to just like wash my face and put moisturizer and that's pretty much it. But usually I really don't like wash my face when I don't go outside or anything, so or like brush my hair, so I haven't really washed my face. This might sound gross for like the past 2 days, like I haven't washed it at all. Like I went outside like yesterday and today, but it was only quick, so I couldn't be bothered to really wash my face. So I was thinking that maybe I should do it now. Also, like I do wash my face when I take a shower, so you know, yeah. So I'm gonna get to the tutorial and yeah, here we go. So oh, I forgot to take the glasses off. Okay, so first I do is I wash my face with a cleanser or a rose bar of soap. So usually I use this Garnier gel wash right here, or a rose soap, which is, I don't know, it just varies. Like when I'm on holiday, say for example, I usually use that rose soap instead of this because, you know, when you're traveling you don't want to carry very much liquids. So okay, so I'm just gonna wet my face and put a little bit on my hand, my fingers, and rub that in. And afterwards I'll just wash that off. And then I'll just dry my face off. Okay, so next step I use this Garnier Rose Soothing Glow Mist. So I just spray that all over my face. I usually do like 4 sprays. But the only thing I don't like about this is that it's really hard to press, so you have to press really hard for it to come out. And then I put the Garnier Hydrating Mist, the Argan Oil one, this one. And again I use 4 sprays. My face, and then I just like pat that to other places on my face. Yep. My sister came up with sweets. Yeah, that's right. And nothing. Okay, thanks. Oh, things.
Hello there everyone, sorry, can I pee?
OMG. Sorry about that, guys. What a poo, we just got back from work, so. Okay, so next step is I use this Drops for Youth Youth Essence Lotion. It's my dad's and my mum's, so it's just my parents, so I just make it. So I put a little bit on my fingers. And, oh shit, sorry. Keep dropping things everywhere, and then just like spread it along my face, like that, and wait for it to like dry, pat a bit. So usually like I use like different moisturizers and stuff. Like let's say if I'm like on holiday or whatever out, I usually use my vitamin C moisturizer instead, because like I don't want to carry all this stuff around with me, so I usually bring that and then just use that after I wash my face and put on makeup. So yeah, okay, so leave that dry for a bit. So yeah, it just varies what I use, but this is my normal skincare routine. Say like after my shower I usually do this, or like before I put on makeup, or like just, you know, when I go outside, you know, so I want to have like good nice skin. So yeah, Okay, next step and final step is I use this The Body Shop Vitamin E Sink In Moisture Sleeping Mask. To be fair, it's just like a normal moisturizer. Like it says to use that at night, but I just use it like whenever I want. So yeah, take this, take a little bit, dab it on my face. Yep. Rub that in. Rub all over my face. Okay, and the final step is to moisturize my lips. So I use, it's just a cheap one, I got this years ago, I'm just using it to like finish it. It's this Avon Color Trend Lip Balm. It's tinted, I don't know what colour it is, but it's pink. So I just hit that on my lips. Yeah. And then if I want to add like more moisture on it, or just like want it to last longer, I usually use this Baby Lips Balm and Blush. I don't know what colour this is, it's like a nudie colour with like some shimmer glitter stuff on it, so yeah, just put that on. And there you go, that's my skincare routine. I hope you guys like it. So I'm just going to change out this, so there you go. So this is the result. So I don't know if it's any different than compared to the beginning, but you know, this is my skincare routine.
Doing my sister's makeup for a date.
What?
I've been doing my sister's makeup for a date.
But you're not gonna go on a date. No.
Oh my god.
Because you're a poo.
Doing my sister's date makeup tutorial. Yes, girl.
Okay guys, if you want to watch that, comment below, subscribe to my channel, give this a thumbs up, and yeah, just if you want my sister to do if you want me to do a makeup tutorial for my sister for her date. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and bye guys. Oh, one more thing. Sub, don't be a sub, don't forget to finish every single rice grain on your plate / bowl or whatever. Okay, bye.